Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
These are so pretty. Got a tank top from Justice. Close. And then I also got really, 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 really nice.
Whoa, those are fancy pants.
Fancy.
Or is it a jacket? Oh, it's a jacket.
shirt.
A shirt?
It's a jacket.
Oh, it looks like a little jacket kind
Yeah, and then I
of shirt.
can put this underneath.
Right.
That's so pretty. I really like this. I want to wear this. It's so pretty. Last bag was thing in this thing. Baby.
Oh.
Jacket.
I think it's a jacket. It's a jacket!
It's a furry jacket.
It's a jacket! It's a furry jacket! Oh my gosh, it's so furry!
I thought it was a blanket.
I thought it was gonna be like
I was gonna be like
brown one, this brown one.
Candy's thinking it's another dog. She's like, what?
So pretty.
That is really nice. Wow.
She's like, no, we got an. Oh, never mind. It's just a.
So what do you say to Aunt Betsy for all her shopping?
Thank you. I really like this jacket.
How about the other things?
I really like the bracelet and that clip-on earrings and the nails and all of the stuff, and I really like. My favorite is the turtle.
It's cute, huh?
I like turtles a lot.
Okay. All right. Say goodbye, Aunt Betsy.
Goodbye, Aunt Betsy.
Goodbye, Uncle David.
Goodbye, Uncle David.